Why do humans sunburn, and how does it affect your body? The answer reveals a surprising battle between your skin and invisible rays that can change your health in seconds. Sunburn occurs because ultraviolet, or UV, rays from the sun penetrate your skin and cause direct damage to your DNA and skin cells. This triggers an inflammatory response, where your body increases blood flow to the affected area, causing redness and heat. The pain you feel is actually a signal from your nerves alerting you that your skin is injured. This reaction is your body's way of trying to repair damage while warning you to avoid more exposure. After sunburn, your immune system kicks into gear to heal the damaged skin cells. White blood cells rush in to clear out dead or mutated cells. This repair process can cause peeling as your body sheds the damaged layers. However, repeated sunburns can lead to mutations in skin cells that increase the risk of skin cancer. So, what seems like a simple burn can have serious effects over time. Beyond the immediate pain, sunburn causes long-term damage by breaking down collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep your skin firm and youthful. This leads to premature aging, wrinkles, and sunspots. More dangerously, the DNA damage from UV exposure can trigger skin cancers like melanoma. Protecting your skin with sunscreen and limiting sun exposure is vital to avoid these risks. Sunburn is more than just painful redness. It's your body's urgent signal that your skin cells are under attack and trying to heal. Protecting yourself from UV rays not only prevents pain, but also reduces serious long-term risks. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and stay curious about your body.